Hey everybody, it's Steve. If you're looking at a small moving head, you could get one that throws a wash like this one, or you could get one that throws more of a beam like this one. Well, I just got this Riukoe 7x12 watt wash zoom, and it basically does what both of these do in one light. How well does it work? Well, in this video, I want to take a look by first unboxing one, then looking at its features and functions, including 8 different auto modes, then look at its DMX channels, and finally show 2 of them with both their wash and beam abilities with the hazer going. All right, let's see what's in the box. LED moving head. Got a manual. Mounting bracket. DMX cable. Power cord. And there's the light. This thing is compact and easy to handle at 12 inches tall and just 6 inches wide at the base. It weighs just over 10 pounds. On the front of the head, there's 7 12-watt RGBW LEDs, and on the back, this little cooling fan. On the base, there's simple menu controls and an LED screen, and this little microphone for the sound active mode. And on the back, there's power in jack and DMX in and out jacks. Let's take a look at the most important menu functions. One press of the menu button and you'll see that it's set for a DMX starting address of 1. If you hit enter, you can change that address by pressing the up and down buttons and then enter again to set it. Coming up through the different menu commands, in this particular one, you can set it from master or slave mode. In the next setting, you can set the various auto functions. Let's start with auto function 1. Here's 2. A slower function. Each one of these is different and pretty cool. This one's very slow. The next function is the sound active mode. Let's turn that on. And in this mode, when the microphone hears a transient, it advances to the next step. Let's turn that off. The next setting allows you to change the pan and tilt, turn it off to reverse, but we'll leave it on. Go to the menu, the next is tilt. Again, you can turn it on. In this setting, you can invert the display. So we'll turn it on. You'll see it's upside down if you're going to hang your fixture from a truss or a T-bar. And these last 3 settings are factory adjustments and resets. Okay, let's go through the DMX channels. This is a 16-channel fixture. Let's start off on channel 6, bring the dimmer up, and then you'll see that channel 8 controls the red, channel 9 the green, channel 10 the blue, and channel 11 the white. And you can mix these colors together in any way. I'm going to bring the dimmer down, way down, because the camera can see the colors better. Channel 7 is a strobing function. On in the highest values, high strobing speeds in high values, and low strobing speeds in the lower DMX values. On channel 1 you can adjust the pan, and the panning is very sensitive. Just a few changes in the DMX value, pan it quite a bit. Fine pan on channel 2, tilt on channel 3, fine tilt on channel 4. Channel 5 adjusts the pan and tilt speed. On channel 12, these are different whites, warm colors of white at the lower values and cooler in the higher values. Channel 13 produces different static colors depending on what value you send. And in the highest values, it cycles through the colors slowly, and then at the very highest values, more quickly. Channel 14 also cycles through the colors, but it does it with fades in between each color. More slowly at the lower values, and then increasing the speed of the cycling until at the highest values, it cycles quickly. In channel 15, you can access the different auto modes that we saw under the menu controls. So you can access each of the 8 different auto functions. And now finally, let's look at the focus on channel 16. I'm going to bring up the blue and green. And you can see that here is where you can go from the beam up to the wash. And it's doing that by changing the distance of the lenses to the LED elements. This light is bright, versatile with its zoom feature, and has a lot of auto functions to choose from. And as of April 2023, you can get one on Amazon for $189 at the link below. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.